Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Want to automate your crypto trades on Robinhood in 2025 with their API? Well, firstly, you'll need an API key. It's your ticket to coding custom strategies. So start by logging into your Robinhood account at robinhood.com. Use a desktop browser, not the app since API portal's web only. Make sure you've got an active Robinhood crypto account. API keys are for crypto trading only, not stocks or options. If you don't have one, sign up for crypto trading in the app under Accounts and Crypto. It's quick and you're good as long as you're in the supported states. Step 2. Head to Robinhood API Credentials portal. From the homepage, click Accounts in the top right, then Settings, and scroll to the Crypto tab. Look for API Trading and click on plus Add Key. You'll see a form to create credentials. Don't see it? Double check your crypto account's active. Some users say it's hidden if you're not fully set up. Now create your key. Generate public or private key pair using a tool like SSH Keygen. Run SSH Keygen command in your terminal to get them. Paste the public key into public key field. Give your key a name like my bot, for example, and set permissions. Read only for safety or trade for automation. Hit save. Robinhood splits your API key. It starts with RH. Copy it and store it safely. Step 4. Keep it locked in. Never share your API key. If it leaks, disable it in the portal and make a new one. Test it with a simple GET request, like pulling your crypto positions. And guys, that's pretty much how to test it. And that's how you get a Robinhood API key. Log in, hit the portal, generate credentials, and secure it. Guys, like and subscribe for more such videos and trading hacks. See you next time.